Today it's Tuesday, December 9, 2025, and this is the Sirocco. Who remembers the Sirocco? Who remembers this car? Good luck to find the title. Good looking car, nice, right? Yeah, fine, beautiful. What's the problem with this? I'll explain what's the problem. I built the engine, it was running lean and it was cutting while he was accelerating, and I was screaming and I was saying that, you know what, you're gonna melt a piston or a valve or you name it, okay? Less than a year, he melted the first piston, once. Then I built again the engine. I said, if you keep the same tune, if you don't revise the tune, or if we don't see what's the problem, you're gonna melt again piston. Second time, he melted again piston. I rebuilt again the engine. This is the third time. It melted again piston. So, it's standing the car since, I don't know, 2 years now. Let me, can you please take the stick? Let me take it. Okay, leave it down. All right, fine. So this is the third time that melt the piston. And again, even if I build again the engine and we have the same tune, let us say you keep the same tune inside, it's gonna happen again. Doesn't matter how many times I'm gonna build the engine. Except if they brought me piston out of diamond, it might melt the valve after that. If we change also the valves and we put synthetic diamond, let us say, we're gonna melt the head or whatever. So once again, no, forget it. The thing is, what you need to have in your mind, that it doesn't matter how many times, even if we put a stock engine, if we build the engine or whatever, if the tune is not okay, you're gonna keep melting pistons. Fine. That's what I have to say. Now, what needs to be done here? Need to take it out, strip it off, need to wash all this mess, because the car is standing like that for 2 years. Take apart the engine. I hope that we're gonna be, I can reuse the block. The last time I reused it, as far as I remember. It might need a block. It might. Yeah. You know what? Let's open the spark plugs. Omar, put one guy here, one gentleman, to open for me, remove the ignition coils, remove the spark plugs, just to remember to put the camera inside to see how that looks like. I think it's the number 3 cylinder that melt, if I remember right. We're gonna see. What I need, ignition coils, spark plugs out. Just blow with air like any other time before we remove the spark plugs to be nice and clean. And then we're gonna put the camera in. And obviously, Omar, when it comes to time, we have to wash the engine bay, we have to wash the coolers, we have to wash everything, because you see, after 3 years, maybe more, 4 years, I don't even know how long it's staying like that. Take also out the battery to see if we can charge it, if we can recover it. We're gonna hook it up with another battery, and then slowly we're gonna try to charge it, because after all these years, it should be dead. Yeah, standing by to open for me the spark plugs to see how it looks like inside. I think I have a video. Good luck to find the title of the video.
Just blow only this area. Do not blow anything there, okay?
No, you're not gonna blow anywhere here. You take out the ignition coils and then you blow only where's the spark plug hole inside, before you open the spark plugs, okay? Hello. You blow with air. Don't blow anywhere around, because you're gonna disappear the garage. All right? We're not gonna be able to see each other. Fine. All right. Where was I? Yes, here. All right, some good news. I found the video. I put MK6 Golf. I put it.
This says MK6.
I was writing MK. Okay, imagine. Okay, it's MK3 Sirocco, this one. I put it MK6. Why? I think that at the beginning I had only the engine. I don't remember, to be honest. Never mind. That's the title that I will gonna continue with. All right. And the last video that I upload, it was with the throttle valve body that was broken, because it's a plastic with a steel reinforcement inside, and it backfired because of the methanol, and it broke the half of the throttle and was inside. But that was not a problem back that time. At least we found the title. Something is that. It's a good start, right? We find the car, we found the title. Let's start from that. What else? Yeah. Okay. Has upgrade pump. The high pressure pumps have been upgraded, if I remember right, and the low pressure pump, if I remember right. And we need to see what is going on. Why? I mean, a part of the engine build. Forget about the engine build. With one way or the other, I'm gonna fix it. All right. I mean, if he wants the owner. But at the end, we need to put one base file and see, to log it, to see the fuel, you know, if it has a fuel starvation or what. Okay, all right.
I mean,
What?
might as well start tuning from the beginning.
Yeah, obviously you have to start from the beginning. Ah, Omar, what do you want from my life, Omar? Take a look, Omar. Okay, fine. The cylinder head for the BMW to send out the machine shop for resurface. Okay, sir?
And turns back.
Yeah, it turns back because he forget it. That's why it's going back again there. Okay, spark plug number 1, cylinder number 1. Melt. Oh boy. Number 2, oily. Oh boy. It's a good stuff. Number 3, oil. Yeah, the piston rings, they're not gonna be piston rings anymore. They're gonna be burnt. Probably. We don't care about the piston rings, we don't care about the piston itself. Okay, the piston itself is Italian RP. We can order one set of pistons. Yeah, how lovely. Okay, let's get the camera and put it in to see what are we gonna see. Let's start from the number 1. All right, piston number 1. You see one piece that's missing there? It's melt piston, and that's not the first time. And the cylinder looks fucked up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Let's go to see the number 4. Yeah, let's go to see the number 4 because the 2 and 3 are gonna be near top dead center. Number 4 looks decent. Let's see the wall. Yeah, you see the polishing mark here? You see that it's missing the cross hatch there? Mm-hmm. Yeah, like I said, you see also the oil there. That's oily, the cylinder head. Oh boy. Let's go now to number 3. Well, we're gonna see something with number 3. Ah, okay, it's in the middle, all the pistons. Before, I have to watch the videos, because before he melt, why I remember the number 3? Never mind. Okay. And this is the number 2. Number 2. Okay, what's the fact now here? Well, fucked up, it's now here, but anyhow. We need one set of pistons and we need an engine block. This engine block, forget it. Forget it, it's been toasted. Who is here? Huh? Yeah. And I'm gonna repeat myself again. If you keep the same tune, the same injectors, the same high pressure pump, the same low pressure pump, because I don't know, it might have any problem with the high pressure injectors, might have a problem with the high pressure pump, might have a problem with the low pressure pump, it might have a problem with the tune itself. Okay? So, if you keep this, how many I said? Low pressure pump, high pressure pump, fuel injectors, and tune. if you don't change none of these 4 items, okay, the 3 we have to troubleshoot it, one is the tune, you're gonna do it again. I mean, if right now we put a fresh build engine with the same parts, the ones that I mentioned earlier, it's gonna happen again. Okay, now from where we start: gaskets, seals, block, pistons. That's it. And we have to see the wrist pin, the small end of the connecting rod, especially the number 1, to see the condition, because it might be F up. You might need to send the connecting rods back to Italy to fix the small end. That's it. Small update. It depends what you're gonna decide. The owner, we're gonna see how we're gonna go. He might decide to put, let us say, one engine. He might get one used engine, throw it in, and he'll gonna call it a day. He might want to rebuild this, not this engine, this block, forget it. And question mark for the cylinder head. I have to open it to see what's going on. I have no clue the condition of the cylinder head. Fine. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Thank you, over and out. Let's see how we're gonna end up. For sure, if he decide to build again the engine, not to build again properly everything, we're not gonna keep this tune in. That's for sure. And we're gonna troubleshoot the fuel system to see if there is any problem, because it might not be even the fuel system to begin with. I remember back in the days that we put a new low pressure pump, new high pressure pump, and we put new injectors. So it's not justifying melting pistons once every year, less than a year actually. All right, that's it. That's what I have to say. Thank you, over and out. Mr. Doku, put back again the spark plugs. Put the melt spark plug again to the number 1. All right. The rest, it doesn't matter where you're gonna place it, it's the same. But the number 1, put again on the number 1. Put again the coils in to talk to the owner to see how we're gonna proceed here. Thank you. Because now Mr. Jimmy, he asked me something and I remember something. He asked me, I'm wondering if has any fault code stored on the ECU regarding the fuel starvation. It will gonna have. It should have. Why? Because after building the engine, and he make the customer 1,000 kilometers as a break-in, you know, we changed the oil, everything was nice, beautiful. Then I went together with him and I was monitoring the low pressure pump. And I was watching the low pressure that was dripping down. The car was pushing fine first, second gear, and I don't remember for the third gear, but in fourth gear it was cutting. And my words back in the days was that if you continue driving like that with fuel starvation, you're not gonna have a happy end. All right? Now, sorry that I continue the video, but it just came to my mind. All right? I didn't upload it yet, so I can do that. Thank you. Now that's the end, seriously.